Hi. Welcome to Professional Certifications channel. Today, we're talking about a powerful tool that can help nurses save time and streamline their tasks, ChatGPT. Whether it's charting, patient education, or even staying organized, ChatGPT can be your digital assistant. Let's dive in. 1. Introduction to ChatGPT. For those unfamiliar, ChatGPT is an AI-powered assistant that can generate text-based responses to your questions or requests. Think of it like having a virtual coworker who can help you write, summarize, or find information quickly. 2. Use Case 1, Documentation Assistance. First, let's talk about documentation. Nurses spend a significant amount of time writing progress notes or shift reports. ChatGPT can help by providing templates or summarizing information. For example, if you input key details about a patient, ChatGPT can generate a draft for your note that you can edit and finalize. Example. Let's say you input this: patient John Doe, 45, admitted for chest pain, vitals stable, prescribed beta blockers. ChatGPT can draft: John Doe, 45-year-old male, presented with chest pain. Currently stable on beta blockers. Monitoring vitals every 4 hours. This saves time, right? 3. Use Case 2, Creating Patient Education Material. Need to explain complex medical terms to patients in a way they can understand? ChatGPT can simplify information. For example, if a patient asks about hypertension, you can use ChatGPT to generate a concise, easy-to-understand explanation. Example dialogue.
ChatGPT, explain hypertension in simple terms.
Hypertension or high blood pressure means the blood in your body is pushing too hard against your blood vessels. Over time, it can lead to heart problems if not treated.
4. Use Case 3, Organizing Schedules and Tasks. Time management is critical in nursing. You can use ChatGPT to create to-do lists, prioritize tasks, or even set reminders. For instance, ask ChatGPT to organize your patient care schedule or help you remember medication administration times. Example.
ChatGPT, I have 5 patients with medication due at different times. Help me plan.
ChatGPT can then provide a structured timeline for your shift. 5. Use Case 4, Research and Continuing Education. Nurses are lifelong learners. ChatGPT can quickly summarize medical articles, explain new guidelines, or provide study tips for certifications. It's like having a personal tutor on demand. Example dialogue.
ChatGPT, summarize the latest CDC guidelines on infection control.
Sure. The updated guidelines emphasize hand hygiene, PP usage, and proper isolation protocols for airborne infections.
6. Use Case 5, Language Translation and Communication. Working with patients who speak different languages? ChatGPT can help translate medical terms or simple phrases to ensure effective communication. While it's not a replacement for professional interpreters, it's a handy tool for quick translations. 7. Tips for using ChatGPT safely. While ChatGPT is an amazing tool, remember to use it wisely. Avoid inputting sensitive patient information to protect privacy, and always verify the information it provides. ChatGPT is here to assist, but your clinical judgment comes first. So there you have it. ChatGPT can be a game changer for nurses, helping you save time and focus on what matters most, patient care. Give it a try and let me know how you use it in your practice in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay compassionate, stay empowered.